welcome all of you to the PCQACL Davao Roadshow 2026, Quality Excellence in Hematology.
Empowering Filipino laboratories through world-class medical education. Today, PCQACL tackles the essentials, from hematology peripheral blood smear to point-of-care testing, coagulation, and quality control. Together, we are shaping a more accurate and reliable future for Philippine healthcare.
Thank you for taking the time to join us for this event. Thank you for generously sharing your expertise and valuable insights with us. I would also like to extend my sincere appreciation to the organizing committee whose hard work and dedication made this convention possible. Thank you for your efforts in bringing us together for this meaningful learning opportunity.
Through this educational activity, we aim to strengthen our knowledge, share best practices, and reinforce our commitment to providing accurate and reliable laboratory services that ultimately improve patient care.
Through initiatives such as this Roadshow, we are able to bring relevant and timely educational programs to healthcare professionals in the region.
As the current PRO of this esteemed organization, it makes me feel proud and very fulfilled that we are able to reach our members here in the Philippines through this advocacy.
Together with the PCQACL, we will shape a future where quality knows no limits.
Thank you for your efforts in bringing us together for this meaningful learning opportunity. I am confident that we will gain valuable knowledge from the presentations and discussion led by our distinguished speakers. May the lesson we learned today inspire us to continuously improve our laboratory practices and strengthen our commitment to quality and excellence. Once again, thank you all for being here. I wish everyone productive, informative, and enjoyable session. Good morning and welcome.